Your credit is important, and it's only getting more so. It impacts your home, your car, your insurance, sometimes even your job. So protecting and repairing it isn't a job you want to trust to just anyone. That's why the experts at creditrepair.com are exactly what you need. What does the word expert mean to you? It means you don't have to wonder if they know what they're doing. It means you have access to a process that's been proven by years of experience and hundreds of thousands of customers. It means no gimmicks and no hassle. Just a team of experts ready to help you take your credit back into your own hands. Your team of experts.